Hi guys, long time no see. I bought a newer car, a Volvo S60 2021, and I need a new dash cam. And I found this dash cam that you can put behind the rear mirror. We're gonna see how it works. It should be plug and play actually. So we're opening this up. Keep in mind, I don't get paid for this. It's really nice. You get it? It's gonna be here. So I'm gonna need to remove this one and actually just gonna click on, and the power line is on original connection. So it's like a splitter, and it's supposed to be a connector right here. So we're gonna disassemble this part, and I actually got a tool for it, a fishbone. So we can check. Yeah, that was pretty easy. And there you go. Here you have the connector. Oops, the connector that you should disconnect and have this splitter between. First I'm gonna remove this one. It's just click, and it's supposed to, where did the camera go? To put it on like this. It's just a click it on actually. I'm going to turn it around to see, or these ones, it's hard to hold the camera at the same time. Hope it's the right model. Hold on. Okay, so I needed to let go of the camera, but it was just to click it in, and there you go. Then the physical part is okay. So in order to loosen up this connector, you can watch how it looks, and you press this a little one. So it's supposed just to be needing to press it down, and there you go. Now I'm going to put the split between. It's pretty easy, like that, and the other side, like that. Done. Then the electrical part is done, and you're gonna put all the excessive wiring up here. Well, the thing is that it's really good because it's smooth tape, fabric tape, so it will not rattle, hopefully. We're gonna connect the camera now. So I connected the camera with the connector. It's only one way to do it, and I'm gonna put this back up again. Can't hold the camera when I do it, but you can see here and here how it's supposed to be put back. It was very easy to put back. Up with the wiring and just push it back. Actually, you have this corner here. You need to remove this one should be removed first, and then this one, and last this one, because this one I didn't know of. It just popped out when I took this one first. Okay, so I needed to get inside here. Okay, again, two hands. So just push it down. It's just sitting with clips like this. Have it here, I think. Yeah. In order to get this one back, see, just for this small hatch or small corner here, I can just put it back. And you have these ones need to be fitted like that, Done. Now it's there. Now you see the camera. Pretty smooth, right? So I'm going to connect it. I've already put a small SD card in here, and we'll see if we can get it working. So we're going to see if we can get connection with the camera. So I've downloaded Wildure or Wildur app. I'm going to add a camera. Allow once. Next. Connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to find car DVR. That's supposed to be the camera. And we're done. Back. Strange. Going back, add a camera. It's like I need to add Wi-Fi twice, or I'm doing something wrong. No, it's done. So fine. You see here, the SD card. I've just got cheap AliExpress ones, and they don't work. They need to be fast, so I need to buy one. But hey, anyway, the camera works, and you can see that it's pretty decent. Okay, so I will say 2K resolution. I think there's also 4. And we'll go by this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.